I mean,
Bro, do you want food? McDonald's? Wow! I'm wearing my dad's slippers.
You are? Wow!
So we're doing this now?
Yeah!
bruh, it's like 7:30 in the morning and they've already started working. I've been waking up to this for the past 3 weeks and it's so annoying now. Dude, what the hell, man? I'm gonna have to give these guys a taste of their own medicine, dude. See this nickel? That's 8 hours of screaming goats. This is how I feel every single day. I don't make the rules. Alright, we're finally done. We can finally go home and take some rest. Okay, now. So for all of you saying me and Nikhil are actually not best friends in real life and we're only best friends in videos, we're gonna show you that we're actually best friends. I mean,
Bro, do you want food? McDonald's? Wow! I'm wearing my dad's slippers.
You are? Wow!
So we're doing this now?
Yeah! Wait!
Oh no, my father's flip-flops.
Okay, around a month ago, me, Nikhil and Chris did dares for the video. If you had seen this video, you would remember. Yeah, not your face. So if you remember, we only posted Nikhil's dare in that video and not my dare and Chris's dare because the video was too long. So we shot this about 2 months ago.
Yeah.
And here's my dare and Chris's dare. Okay, and what was my dare?
I think Chef Nix gave you that.
Huh?
Chef Nix, welcome back to the cooking show. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the cooking show. I am Nix and today I'll be cooking healthy cereal. Okay, first you need ketchup. Very healthy.
1 pack is enough.
Nope. We are going to do 2 packs.
2 packs.
Mine is a family pack. Okay, so now let's take oregano.
Oregano.
Yeah.
Great.
Now let's go back.
Oh my god, Jesus. Am I gonna have that?
Yes, but
Great.
the best part is still coming. Next ingredient, cheese.
Oh my god.
Don't try this at home or else you'll end up like my best friend.
Happy.
Now it's time for the finale. That was a disaster. Have fun eating this.
Oh, great.
You want some delicious food? Ask for a dare from Chef Nix. See you later. Bye.
Great. There's ketchup in that, there's cheese in that, and there's oregano in that, and there's also the cereal.
Australian Chef Nix colors is special.
So this will determine how good Nick's chef's food is. So good luck to me. I'm gonna hate this. I'm not even kidding. It's not so bad.
You literally ate chocolate, oregano, ketchup, and cheese together.
Oh god, why am I doing YouTube? Guys, I'm gonna quit YouTube. Thank you for watching.
Well, for this dare, you'll have to finish that whole bowl.
You know I'm gonna do that.
You are. Chef Nix will become upset.
Okay, one more bite and I'm done.
Oh, that's so like there. Now finish it. Finish it.
I'm done puking. Shoot.
You'll get used. You'll get.
No,
used.
I'm gonna puke. Bye bye.
Bro, literally, your eyes are kind of watery.
I know. Oh god, I hate myself. I hate you. Okay, so Chris is the only one who has a dare, and this thing is gonna give a dare to this thing, and this guy's on his own world now. Hi.
Want food?
Go get some. Get some for me too.
Honey.
You buy your own food.
I dare you to take a picture with the toilet.
Okay, where's the selfie camera? Okay, let's go. Where's the selfie camera?
Oh wow. Okay, you're the toilet.
Okay, that's one pic. Here, smile toilet, please.
Toilet has style, unlike you.
So you just accepted your toilet.
Nice one. Oh,
Exactly.
not putting my hand.
Let's go for real now.
I already took a pic. Why do I have to do it again?
You do realize you'll be the piece of shit inside the toilet. You!
Anyways,
So we're going to the restroom now. And Nikhil, if someone makes fun of me in the comments, it's all your fault.
Guys, go comment now. Make fun of him.
What?
good luck.
I hate you guys. God.
Great. YouTube views, let's go. Will you take one?
Yeah, I took two.
You look like one creep, man.
I learned it from you.
Okay, all of you go comment right now and make fun of Chris.
Guys, please.
I really hope you guys go comment. It's been 2 months since that happened and I've still not cut my hair. Proud of myself. And go comment if you guys have any ideas for our new videos. And we'll see you guys next week.
Like, subscribe, comment, bye.
Very good outro. I'm proud of you.
I'm proud of you too.
Bye bye.
Now let's leave.
Bro,
Bro, you
wanna
want
get
food?
Fuck.
What?
Dun 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 dun. That'll be the last clip. Da 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 da.